Okay. Got Lord of War here. I'm over here at 42 North gun range. This is my drum to my AR baby girl. And I'm about to get ready to let one more nag loose. Anyways, about to have a little bit of fun. Not much, just a little bit. Hey, that's what happens when you put too many bullets in there. So, anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and let this one go real quick. So, y'all put all them 9s and them 40 cals up. We'll show you what happened to your car when you try to have road rage and pull out a 40 on me. This what happened. This is what happens, ladies and gentlemen. Put them 9s and them 40s away. NRA fanatic. Show me my opponent.